3 good reasons for choosing Jolly Star. Let's have a look at them. First, efficient. Second, handy. Third, multi-purpose. The Jolly Star grinder ensures an easy and precise setting by means of its unique self-centering vise, which clamps the saw chain cutters always at its center in order to have the axis of rotation of the vise passing through the center of the grinding wheel, and the result is an equal grinding of right and left-hand cutters and equal the top plate lengths. The self-centering system permits the easy replacement of any kind of chains, always maintaining them in intersection with the correct axis. The pair of sliding rolls permits the easy and precise manual chain advancing, and to grind saw chains up to 3/4 inch pitch as used by mechanical harvesters and industrial sawmill equipment. At the end, the Jolly Star grinders ensure a much more accurate grinding of cutters of any kind of chain in much less time than any other competing machine on the market. A few simple operations for preparing the Jolly Star to its task. For saw chain types needing an additional down angle, the Jolly can be easily set for the purpose by simply swinging the vise plate. Vise plate rotation setting. Arm rotation setting. Using the cutting chain stop centering knob, center the chain stop behind the cutter. At this stage, just set the depth of grind by using the depth adjustment knob. Much faster operation procedure than any other competing chain grinder. Rotating the vise on the opposite side, no additional need of further setting. The sharpening angles achieved are perfect for both left and right cutters of saw chain. Right and left hand cutters are not symmetric to the wheel axis. Thus, an additional setting is required. Once settings are fixed, the grinding operations run smoothly. Like the chain between the vise rails. The chain vise closing handle stroke is extremely short and permits a fast chain advancing pace, also thanks to the chain supporting rolls. Once the chain cutters on one side have been ground, loosen the bottom knob just slightly and rotate the vise on the opposite side, and a perfect symmetry is ensured. In other words, a significantly improved chain cutting performance. To sum it up, the Jolly Star is more precise, easier and faster to be used. You can see the result of a chain sharpening performed by means of a Jolly Star grinder. Performing a clear and straight cut through. Jolly Star record: higher safety for users, lower fuel consumption and mechanical wear. Last but not least, The Jolly Star can also easily grind chains up to 3/4-inch pitch, as the ones used by mechanical harvesters and industrial sawmill equipment. Just one partner to meet many demands. Reliable, practical, and trustworthy. An example of the brilliance of the Made in Italy talent.